What's good, YouTube? SRT Dave back with another banger. If you're new to the channel, you already know what to do. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell so you can see when I'm dropping a new video. So for today, guys, I got a video that has been requested by a couple different people. They want me to do more POV. They want me to do more, content on me driving the car, showing y'all what it's like driving the car. A lot of people have been telling me, do more POV. So that's what I got for y'all today. I got some POV. When we do this, I'm doing it off my phone. I don't have the GoPro yet, but I'm probably going to get one soon. And then once I get that, it'll just be, right on the head mount, and I'll take y'all with me pretty much wherever I go when I'm driving, and we can do more like vlog style videos when I have the GoPro. But yeah, so we're going to be driving around, and I'm also going to be talking about something else that has been requested, which is the long-term reliability of owning one of these cars. So we basically going to knock out two recommendations in one video. With that being said, let's fire up the car and then we can get out of here and start driving. I'm on my way home from work, so I'm going to give y'all a little POV while I'm driving home from work. Just a little calm video, A little disclaimer though.
No, God! No, God, please, no!
I live in the suburbs and my car is a target for cops, so I ain't gonna go crazy. Like, I know y'all be seeing all these Hellcat point of view videos where people be slamming on the gas every 5 seconds and hearing the whine and like their car is obnoxiously loud and all that. I can't do that where I'm at, or it's over for me.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I'm gonna just be driving, chilling. I'm gonna hit it a couple times. It's an SRT, I gotta hit it a couple times, but I'm not gonna be going too crazy because I ain't trying to draw attention to myself like that up in this area. So let's get out of here and let's get on the road. All right, guys, we on the road. I got the windows cracked because it's dumb hot out, but I didn't want to put them all the way down because then you probably wouldn't be able to hear me. My check engine light is on because of my thermostat. The 180 thermostat does throw a check engine light. I mentioned that in the install video a while ago, but it's like on and off. I just have to sometimes flash it off with the Diablo tuner, but it always comes back because it's not programmed to run, this low. Sometimes you get a little bit of pops when it downshifts. Sounds good, right? Yeah, I definitely need to get a GoPro. I've been saying that too. This holding the camera is not it. And also, you get a way better angle with the GoPro too, like a wider angle. Because this is like, a lot of it's cut off. Do a nighttime POV too, because everybody that do them on YouTube, bro, they look crazy. It's just like something hits different about it being at night. I don't know what it is. I'm sorry if this footage is all shaky and stuff. I'm holding it with my hand.
Hey, yo!
Pause. I'm holding the camera with my hand while I'm driving, so dumb nice out. I think I might be going to a meet or a little car show on the weekend. Maybe I'll vlog that for y'all. Bro, it's always cars that get in front of me on these little one lanes. On these one lane roads, bro. One slow car in front of you kills the whole vibe. Also, when I get the GoPro, I can do a video where I'm driving around in manual mode so y'all can hear the different shifts. Because this thing sounds insane when you drive it in manual, especially when you're in first gear and you get to hear the pops from that straight pipe. Bro, it sounds crazy. I wonder if the road's gonna open up at all. Trash truck up here too, bro. I picked a bad time to film this video. But yeah, definitely let me know down in the comments how y'all feel about these POVs. You know, a lot of people tell me they like them. So if y'all like them, I'll keep making them. And I almost forgot we supposed to be talking about a topic. I forgot earlier I said we were going to be talking about long-term reliability, and no, I'm not letting that Mustang through. So yeah, guys, in terms of, you know, long-term reliability on this car, I had it for 2 years. The only thing that ever happened was when I first got it, the back driver's side, back left side, I got hit by somebody's work van and it like spun me out. So I had to get, you know, a couple dents pulled, and I had to get a new rim and fix the axle. But other than that, guys, like, that wasn't a problem with the car. That was just, you know, an unfortunate event that happened. In terms of problems, I've had none. Just, you know, kept up with my oil changes, obviously. This car's been treating me good. I have no complaints with it whatsoever. In terms of reliability, like, I would give it a 10 out of 10. Obviously, you know, things like tires and stuff is wear and tear. I also put 4 tires on. Reliability is good on these cars, especially because I daily it too. And I drive like a decent amount of time each way from work. And I was driving this thing through the winter and to school and everything. A lot of you guys probably don't know that, but yeah, this car has been through pretty much like every season, all different types of weather, and it still holds strong. Besides in the snow, I don't drive it in the snow. But yeah, let's get back to this little POV footage. Let's go this way. I just wish we had open road. Might end up having to get gas too. I want to know what type of videos y'all want me to make. So put that down in the comments too, guys. I want to know if y'all want more mods, if y'all want more, you know, like day in the life vlog videos. Y'all want more racing in Mexico. What do y'all want? I wish I would have filmed the whole entire process with this car from start to finish, like since I got it. But I started my YouTube channel late, which is kind of unfortunate because I did a decent amount of things before I started YouTube, like my tint, like switching out my emblems and stuff, getting my resonators cut off because it already had a muffler delete. But yeah, I wish I definitely would have filmed all that for y'all. Alright, let me make some space because we're not gonna get no type of room. Let me just let y'all hear what it sounds like. Just cruising at 35. That's a little loud. See why I can't do that every 5 seconds? Everybody that drove by is looking too. But yeah, back to that topic of reliability, I always tell everybody when they ask me like, how is it daily driving this car? If you take care of your stuff's going to take care of you. So no matter that this car is from 2009, if you take care of it like I do, and you know, keep up with everything, and you treat it good, you know, it's going to be fine for you. It's going to treat you good. And that goes with everything, with like all types of machines and vehicles. So another thing, y'all gotta let me know if you like POV without talking, or you like me to talk over it, because I know sometimes it's kind of hard to hear when I'm talking, but I don't know, I feel like it just gets boring watching just, you know, silent video. I mean, I guess you get to hear the exhaust and stuff, but sheesh, sounds so good. Low key, I want louder though. Yeah, it's a lot of stop and go traffic because now I'm driving through neighborhoods and stuff. Should have did it at a better time, but I'll definitely do more POVs in the future. All right, guys, so it's a little bit of a weird video, but it's kind of like my first try at a POV type video. So let me know your thoughts down in the comments, what I should do differently, what you want to see on the channel, different video ideas and stuff. Hopefully I'll be back with another video soon. I plan to be taking the camera out a lot more now that the weather's nice. I definitely want to start making more videos and more content for y'all, so let me know what you want to see. If you're rocking with me, you know, like I always say, smash that sub button. It really helps. We almost at 2,000 subscribers. Can't thank you guys enough for the support and everything. I'm trying to get Instagram and TikTok popping too. Yeah, guys, I just appreciate all your support. Continue to support, and I promise to keep bringing y'all some fire content. That's going to be the end of this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for the next video, of course. It's SRT Dave, and I'm out.